I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Vauxhall Antara. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. I've got quite a few things connected to Bluetooth already, all these cameras, so that's why there's a big list. And then we go to Setup, which is the third one down on the right hand side. Click Setup. You've got navigation, Bluetooth and telephone. So we want Bluetooth and telephone. Pair new device. Click Pair new device. Please start pairing from Bluetooth device. When device requests PIN, please enter 1234. So it's already brought up car HF unit. That's the one we're looking for here. Click on car HF unit. It's telling me to put 1, 2, 3, 4 in, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using this car again, but you will obviously, so you would allow. And there you go, it's connected. Just give this a second. Yep, Bluetooth device successfully connected.